Amrit Kaal is that particular period of time that is from now till the next 20-25 years when Indian economy is going to be a $25 trillion economy to $30 trillion economy. Per capita income is going to be anywhere between 15,000 to 18,000 USD per year. The Amrit Kaal is supposed to happen because of at least four important factors. The first one is that India is reaping demographic dividend. India is the information technology and services hub for the whole world. The manufacturing sector in India is looking up really bright. And the last one is India is the GCC hub of the whole world. India is going to be the back office for the entire world's corporate. It's in this context that we are launching two very interesting economics programs, B.Sc Economics and MA Economics. We would be teaching these programs using several very interesting platforms. The first amongst them is Corecon. Lot of resources like vlogs, blogs, texts for everyone, teachers as well as the learners. Z3 is a platform that is used to create experiments in economics. And this is the best time to study economics, wherein you can charter your own career path.